Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a pepperoni party bread. Easy, fun to make, and so tasty. Here's what you'll need. Refrigerated pizza or French bread dough, some pepperoni slices, and cheeses like gruyere, mozzarella, or any of your favorites. Then for a kick, sliced peperoncini. You'll also need some herbs, dried or fresh, and your favorite sauces for dipping. Grab the bread dough and roll it out. Mix a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of melted butter and spread it over the dough. Lightly sprinkle your favorite herbs over top and then start adding lots of pepperoni slices and the shredded cheese. I'm using gruyere and mozzarella. Then for added flavor, lightly sprinkle the peperoncini slices over the cheese. Gently roll it up and place in a Bundt or any round cake pan. Make an egg wash with 1 egg yolk and a tablespoon of water and brush it over the bread. Then sprinkle a little more seasoning over the top. Bake for about 30 minutes and then when it's golden brown, slice it up, take it for a dip and devour. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.